Tell me not to live, just sit and putter. Life's candy and the sun's a ball.
Hello, my beautiful YouTube family. Welcome back to the E portion of Tell Joanne. I am your girl, Joanne. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed the week of Barbra Streisand. Guys, the song that I am going to be playing today, I saw the title and I'm like, I have to listen to it. So the song is called Don't Rain on My Parade. Come on. Come on. This is a song that I don't even know. I've never heard this song, but I already know what it's about, right? Don't be hating on me, okay? Resilience. I'm up here. You cannot bring me down, y'all. I'm so excited. I'm all hyped and I didn't even hear the song yet. So let's do our chair so I can hear the song, all right? If you are part of the family, aka you already subscribed, then you know what we're about to do. But if you're new to the channel, this is when I say hello. Now put me on pause with yourself a beverage of choice. Hit that subscribe button so that you can become part of this amazing community. And on the count of 3, we'll do our chair. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, guys, let's go.
One ticket on the Empire Limited departing from New York at 8:30 a.m. Now boarding at track 14.
Fanny, what's the matter with you? Haven't you any pride?
Just now, I love the guy. He loves me. I want to be with him. It's that simple.
Fanny, can't you see you're making a fool of yourself?
Georgie, when something's right for me, I do it, and this is right for me.
Have you asked yourself if it's right for Nick?
I'll make it right for him.
Fanny, don't take your neck out this way. Fanny, don't do it.
Don't tell me not to live, just sit and putter. Life's candy and the sun's a ball of butter. Don't bring around a cloud to rain on my parade. Don't tell me not to fly, I simply got to. If someone takes a spill, it's me and not you. Who told you you're allowed to rain on my parade? I'll march my band out, I'll beat my drum, and if I'm found out, your turn at bat, sir. At least I didn't fake it, hat, sir. I guess I didn't make it, but whether I'm the rose of sheer perfection or freckle on the nose of life's complexion, the cinder or the shiny apple of its eye, I gotta fly once, I gotta try once, only can die once, right, sir? Ooh, life is juicy, and you see I gonna have my bite, sir. Get ready for me, love, cause I'm a comer. I simply gotta march, my heart's a drummer. Don't bring around a cloud to rain on my parade. I'm gonna live and live now. Get what I want, I know how. One roll for the whole shebang. One throw, that bell will go clang. Eye on the target and wham. One shot, one gunshot and bam! Hey, Mr. Onstein, here I am.
Where is he? Yo, I'm invested. Come on.
At least I didn't fake it, hot, sir. Guess I didn't make it. Get ready for me, love, cause I'm a comer. I simply gotta march my heart to drum. I know nobody, no, nobody is gonna rain on my
She gonna get there no matter what. Let's go. Woo! What? Y'all, I need to listen to this song right now. Again, Do Not Rain on My Parade. Oh my gosh, that was amazing. Woo! Yeah, Barbra Streisand never disappoint. She never disappointed. I knew this song was going to be something, but oh my goodness, the passion in that song, for sure. Oh my goodness, I'll be walking around, I don't know how, with my phone, I guess, and I'm just going to be playing that song anytime a hater comes at me. Her voice is amazing. This is crazy. And this video is actually really great, really cute. Oh my goodness. Yes, 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 yes. That is how we end off the week of Barbra Streisand. Don't Rain on My Parade. I got myself my new theme song or anthem or however it is, because I'm going to be telling anyone who's hating on me, refer them to that song. On that note, I hope you guys enjoyed this week with me. And as I said in the very beginning, this week has been inspired by our member David, who had sponsored 4 songs, and you know your girl just had to go in. And you know what, David? I know you know me, right? I know you're like, oh my God, Joanne. But you know what? Love you. Bye.